Otters are playful, curious creatures that make delightful pets for the right owners. But before you dive into otter parenthood, let's explore 13 fascinating facts about these semi-aquatic mammals. From their grooming habits to their diet, these insights will help you to understand if an otter is the perfect companion for your household.
Petopedia.
Number 1. The grooming routine. Have you ever seen an otter groom itself? It's quite a fascinating process. Instead of taking regular baths like we do, otters use their teeth and front paws to spread a special oil all over their fur. This oil comes from a gland near their tail and helps waterproof their coat, keeping them warm and dry even when swimming in freezing waters. This grooming routine is essential for their survival as it maintains the integrity of their fur and ensures they remain buoyant and insulated against cold water temperatures. Otters spend a significant portion of their day grooming, not just for cleanliness, but also to maintain the effectiveness of their fur's insulating properties. Pretty neat trick, right? Number 2. A voracious appetite. Speaking of essential routines, otters sure do love to eat. These little guys have monster appetites and can consume up to 25% of their total body weight in food every single day. This high metabolic rate means they're always on the hunt for their next meal. In the wild, otters feed on a variety of seafood, including fish, crustaceans, and shellfish. As a pet owner, you would need to stock up big time on all their favorite meals. This means having a constant supply of fresh or frozen seafood treats. Their diet can be quite varied, so offering a mix of different types of seafood can help them healthy and satisfied. Better have plenty of snacks on hand to satisfy an otter's big hunger. Number 3. Holding paws. Another heartwarming fact about otters is that they actually hold hands while sleeping. This adorable behavior helps families and groups stay together while floating in the water so they don't drift apart. It's a behavior known as rafting, and it's as practical as it is cute. Just picture a bunch of otters snuggled up, holding paws as they snooze. This bonding behavior is crucial for their social structure, ensuring that they stay connected and safe in their aquatic environment. Could that precious scene get any cuter? Number 4. Social and intelligent. Furthermore, otters are extremely intelligent and social creatures that thrive on spending quality time with their families and human owners. In the wild, they live in tight-knit groups, communicating through vocalizations and body language. They have a range of vocal sounds, from whistles to growls, each serving a different purpose in their social interactions. As pets, they crave interaction and can form incredibly strong bonds with their human companions through play and cuddling. This intelligence also means they can learn tricks and commands, making them engaging and interactive pets. Number 5. Not just aquatic. While discussing their versatility, it's interesting to note that while otters are semi-aquatic animals, they actually spend lots of time on land too. In their natural habitat, they build dens called halls where they sleep, raise their young, and take refuge from predators. These dens are usually close to water bodies but well hidden among vegetation. As pets, their ideal living space needs both dry lounging areas and water resources to meet all their terrestrial and aquatic needs. Providing a variety of environments helps keep them stimulated and happy, mimicking their natural behaviors. Number 6. Endless energy. If you have an otter, then be prepared to see their constant activity and energetic playtime. These little guys have seemingly endless energy stores and love to explore, chase toys, splash around, and engage in all kinds of lively antics. Having plenty of space and providing lots of stimulation is key to keeping an otter happy and healthy. Number 7. Powerful jaws. As adorable as they are, don't underestimate an otter's powerful jaws and sharp teeth. In the wild, these are essential tools for cracking through tough shells and catching prey. As a pet owner, you'd need to set clear boundaries and rules, provide training, and exercise caution since those jaws can cause injury if they mistake fingers for food. Number 8. Sense of touch. In addition to their strong jaws, otters rely a lot on their incredible sense of touch thanks to thousands of tiny sensory receptors that cover their whiskers and paws. This allows them to deftly navigate through dark underwater environments and locate prey with amazing accuracy. Their refined sense of touch also makes them very receptive and responsive to gentle petting and handling from owners. Number 9. Using tools. Continuing on their impressive abilities, like their wild counterparts, pet otters may exhibit clever tool-using abilities and behaviors. They have been observed using rocks to crack open shells or dislodge prey in crevices. This tool use is a sign of their high intelligence and problem-solving skills. So, you have to provide lots of toys and safe objects that can manipulate to help engage their natural curiosity and intelligence through play. Number 10. Staying warm. How do otters manage to stay warm and cozy in freezing waters? The secret is in their incredibly dense fur, which traps air bubbles, creating excellent natural insulation. Their fur is the densest of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. As an owner, you'd need to carefully control the temperature and humidity levels of their environment to support this thermoregulation ability. Keeping their living space warm and dry is essential to prevent hypothermia and other health issues. Number 11. Territorial behaviors. It's also important to understand that otters are highly territorial animals, both in the wild and as pets. They use scent glands to mark their territory and make vocalizations or displays to warn others away. In captivity, they might exhibit similar behaviors, so providing enough space with clearly defined boundaries is important. This helps prevent territorial conflicts and undesirable behaviors like spraying or aggression. Number 12. Breath-holding experts. Do you know that otters are true masters at holding their breath? They can stay underwater for up to 8 minutes at a time. This allows them to hunt effectively and avoid predators. While not as crucial for a pet, it's still important to give them plenty of chances to swim and explore underwater. Creating a safe and stimulating aquatic environment can help them practice this natural ability and stay healthy and active. Number 13. Wild at heart. Lastly, as charming and lovable as otters are, it's important to remember their wild roots. They have very complex and specific needs that can be challenging to meet in a domestic setting. Caring for an otter pet requires a tremendous commitment of time, resources, specialized knowledge, and the ability to provide an enriching, appropriate environment. Their natural behaviors, diet, and social needs make them demanding pets. Research thoroughly before taking on this responsibility to ensure you can provide the care they need to thrive. So that's all for our video about 13 otter facts to keep as a pet. If you enjoyed our video and found it helpful, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to mention what you want to see next.